The Puma, Rotabroach's small, lightweight machine, is specifically designed for use both on site and in the workshop. With an 800-watt motor, 750 kilograms magnetic adhesion and cutting capabilities of up to 30 millimeters, this machine is an invaluable addition to any workshop or machine fleet. Designed for versatility, the Puma comes complete with carrying case, half-inch drill chuck to facilitate the use of stub drills, and capstan feed arms, which can be repositioned for working in even the tightest spaces. Additional features such as the positive ejection arbor, cut smart technology for user safety, and rear-mounted controls for ease of use all contribute to make this unique machine by far the top of its class.